Tell you how to declare a variable. Before we use a variable in C program, we need to declare it. To declare a variable, we need to follow a particular syntax. Syntax of declaration of a variable. Students, let us know more. The math.h mathematical header file allows the programmer to perform a number of common mathematical calculations such as pow, parenthesis, cos, parenthesis, square t, parenthesis, sin, parenthesis, log, parenthesis, exponential, parenthesis, etc. The above statements will declare the variables named age, percentage, and name with data types integer, float, and character respectively. We can also declare more than one variable with the same data type using a single statement. Students, let us take a recall the various features of C. Initializing a variable. Initialization is the process of assigning a value to a variable. Let us know more. Variables are categorized into local variables, global variables. The first statement will declare a variable named age of type int and initialize it with a value of 15. The second statement will declare a variable named percentage of type float and initialize with a value of 86.5. Alright, let us know more. Local variables are declared inside the function in which they are used, whereas the global variables are declared outside the function. A global variable can be used anywhere in the program, in different functions also, but local variables exist only within the function. Students, let us understand about operators. So far, you have learned how to declare and initialize variables. Now it is time to know how to make use of them. In computer programming, you need to perform arithmetic and logical operations, which can be performed using operators. Operators are special symbols that perform specific operations on one, two, or more operands and give meaningful results. Operands are the data involved in the mathematical operation and may be stored in variables and constants. The valid combination of both operands and operators make an expression which returns computed results. In the above expression, x into 4 is equal to 32. X, 4 and 32 are operands, whereas multiplication and equal to are operators. Time for fact file. By default, all the C programs are stored in C/tc/bin folder. Alright students, let us take a discussion on variables versus constants. Types of operators. Name, arithmetic operators. Symbols: plus, minus, multiplication, division, percentage. Assignment operators: equal to. Relational operators: greater than, smaller than, greater than equal to, smaller than equal to, not equal to. Increment and decrement operators: plus plus, minus minus. Logical operators: and, exclamatory mark. Conditional operators: question mark, colon. Arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used to perform basic arithmetical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. There are mainly 5 arithmetic operators used in C, which are given below. Let us understand this through an example. Example 1. Program to print the sum, difference, product, division, and remainder of two numbers. Slash asterisk, print the sum, difference, product, division, and remainder of two numbers. Asterisk slash. Hash include bracket in stdio.h bracket close. Hash include bracket in conio.h bracket close. Void main, curly braces in, int a equals to 10, comma b equals to 10, semicolon. Assigning the value to a variable of type integer. int sum equals to 0, comma sub equals to 0, comma multiply equals to 0, comma division equals to 0, comma mod equals to 0, semicolon. Print f bracket in double quote in enter two values slash n double quote close bracket close semicolon. Sum equals to a plus b semicolon. Calculating the value of a and b in the sum variable. Print f bracket in double quote in the result of addition is percentage d slash n double quote close comma sun bracket close semicolon. Sub equals to a minus b semicolon. Calculating the value of A and B in the sub-variable. Print F bracket and double quote in the result of subtraction is %d/n double quote close comma sub bracket close semicolon. Multiply equals to A into B semicolon. Calculating the value of A and B in the multiple variable. Print F bracket and double quote in the result of multiplication is %d/n double quote close comma multiple bracket close semicolon. Division is equal to A by B semicolon. Calculating the value of A and B in the division variable. Print F bracket and double quote in the result of division is %d/n double quote close comma division bracket close semicolon. Mod equals to A %B semicolon. Calculating the value of A and B in the mod variable. Print F bracket and double quote in the result of modulus is %d double quote close comma mod bracket close semicolon. Get CH parenthesis semicolon curly braces close. Students, do you know if it is advisable to save the C program every time you make changes? You can save the program by pressing the F2 key or by clicking the Save option in the File menu. Assignment operators. Assignment operator equal to is used to assign a value to a variable. The variables are always on the left-hand side of the assignment operator, and the value to be assigned are always on the right-hand side of the assignment operators. Example, age equals to 23. Salary is equal to 14,000. Shorthand assignment operators. Operator plus equal to. Statement with simple assignment operator. A equals to A plus 1. Statement with shorthand assignment operator. A plus equals to 1. Minus equal to. A equal to A minus 1. A minus equals to 1. Multiplication equal to. A equals to A into N. A into equals to N. Division equal to. A equals to A divided by N. A divided by equals to N. Percentage equal to. A equals to A percentage B. A percentage equals to B. Students, let us know more. The C program can also be compiled by pressing the shortcut key Ctrl plus F9. Relational operators. Relational operator compares two operands and determines the relationship between them. It gives result in two states, either true or false. There are mainly 6 relational operators used in C, which are listed below. Students, let us know more. Compiler errors are also called syntax errors. These errors occur either due to typing mistake in the syntax or by writing wrong syntax. For example, suppose if you have not put the semicolon at the end of the statement, then it will create a compiler error. Logical operators. Logical operators are used for logical operations which compare the result of relational expressions and give result in the form of true or false. Logical operators are used as both binary and unary operators. C provides 3 logical operators which are described below. Students, let us know more. Runtime error occurs after the successful execution of the program. For example, during computation, the division of a number or an expression by 0 will display the division overflow error message.